For a modern shop floor, a successful metrology strategy requires not only advanced equipment but also highly skilled operators.
Having an operator who is trained very well to work with the software and to understand the GD&T or the customer requirements could be the key. Hence, training would play a vital role to bring them up to speed and help deliver efficient results.
The need of the training is, as on today, is global. When we talk about the tolerances are every day reducing to the very stringent level, and here the real point is, so when I measure at one place in couple of microns, so customer want to ask what is the correlation of the measurement on the similar other make of the machine, and this scenario is expanding globally to correlate the CMM.
Realizing this gap between the academia and the industry, Accurate set up a skill development initiative way back in 1990s. Accurate Center for Quality Excellence (ACQE) is a non-profit initiative by Accurate to make quality as the cornerstone of a successful Make in India products.
Since very beginning, Accurate has been guided with the philosophy of customer-centric. As a local company, we have gained a significant advantage to understand technical requirements and the unique challenges that you are facing.
Accurate has got a full-fledged training programs as well the setup. At Accurate Center of Quality Excellence, anybody can enroll hands-on or the classroom trainings from the academic, engineering institutes or from the industries.
We provide a range of training programs right from GD&T, CMM measuring methods or even programming. This could help your users be more efficient in their measurement processes and deliver globally comparable results.
More than 20,000 professionals from the academic as well as from the industries we have trained. There is the full dedicated AUKOM Germany certified trainers which can bring them a confidence internationally, and certainly it would be a value addition for them for any of the industries they want to work with.
Our aim is engineers should have well versatile to do offline and online programming and supports globally to our customers.
We have the entire range of the measuring instrument models where we can give them a chance to operate directly on the machine.
We had it as a theoretical training, but these 2 days training, we made it as a practical training.
It is not about just training, but it is workshop. Sir will make you to solve your own problem by yourself.
What all big problems you can solve with GD&T is something which we can understand only after such kind of training.
It's really very informative, and I appreciate the instructor's depth of knowledge and clarity of communication.
Our next goal is to reach to the industries for the AUKOM, and our aim is at least one engineer in any of the industries, they should get trained from Accurate.
Thanks to our world-class local manufacturing capabilities and thousands of installations across sectors like automotive, aerospace, locomotive, 3C and now semiconductor, we are in a unique position to offer comprehensive training skills for aspiring metrologists.
Let us discuss on your requirements, and we can definitely customize the training that suits all your requirements and be happy to resolve all your queries.